Welcome back to Joe Today. Right now on our couch we have my friend Valerie Coleman, who is all about the books. So, welcome Valerie.
Thank you for having me, Joe. I'm
Right.
excited to be here.
So Valerie, I have to say, I love those shoes. Look at
Thank
those
you.
shoes. I love them. They're bright red.
Thank you. I love yours.
Well, thank you. Thank you. So, tell us about the books and books you brought with us today, and just give us a little bit overview.
Well, I've published over 30 books for myself and my clients, and the books I brought here today are The Forbidden Secrets of the Goodie Box,
Okay.
Relationship Advice That Your Father Didn't Tell You and Your Mother Didn't Know, Amazon bestseller, The Way to Success, How to Become an Overnight Success in 7,300 Days. That was a Dating Book Expo debut bestseller, with short stories from self-made millionaires, doctors, actors, and so on. And then Self-Publishing Made Easy, which is the book that really launched what I do through my company, Pen of the Writer, which is to serve professional speakers and experts to magnify and monetize their message by publishing quality books.
Okay. So Valerie, I know you do a lot. I don't know how you just do it all, but you do a lot. One of the things I admire about you is that you push people who may not feel like they can do it or want to write, because you pushed me when I first started, so it's something that's a gift that you have. So tell us about some of the people that you work with and you help publish, and can you elaborate on that?
Absolutely. Well, I've been called the beautiful bully.
Okay.
I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but that's what I've been referred to as. And what I really do is I want to encourage people, and oftentimes what I found, especially with aspiring authors, is there's this underlying fear, whatever the form for the start of that fear. I don't know what started it for them, but they have this lack of confidence that either my book's not going to be good enough, no one's going to buy it, I don't know how to write. And so what I do is I help them boost their confidence. Okay. And what I'm doing now is re-engineering their lives. I used to be an engineer. So now I'm re-engineering their lives by showing them that they do have a good story to tell, a good message to convey, and I'm going to help them to present it in the best possible light.
Okay, all right. So the Dayton Book Expo, tell us all about that one and when it is and how we can support and help.
The Dayton Book Expo is the last Saturday in April. This year it's going to be April the 28th. And what happened was I came to Charlotte Jenkins and Latanya Branham and shared with them an idea I wanted to have a citywide book event. And as a result, we sat down, we talked together, we talked about some of our experiences traveling with books throughout the country, and we took the good things and put them into the Dayton Book Expo, and those things that weren't so good, we tried to make sure we excluded those from the Dayton Book Expo. And now this year will be our 9th year. Right now we have almost 70 authors. So after this year, we will have served over 600 authors with connecting them to avid book readers. The Dayton Book Expo includes signing opportunities with authors that people wouldn't normally be able to connect with. It includes writing panels and sessions and discussions for aspiring authors to learn the book business from people who have already done what they're trying to do. It includes a Kids Zone, which is sponsored by My Mobile Mommies. And then it's going to be held at Sinclair Community College, which has been our ongoing sponsor every year. And this year we have a new sponsor, which is the IUE CWA Local 755. So we're always looking for opportunities to build our brand, what we're doing, but more importantly, to promote literacy in the Dayton area. And that's what the Dayton Book Expo is all about.
Okay, now when is it?
It is going to be April the 28th, 11 to 4 at Sinclair College in the Opponent Center. And it's free and open to the public.
Oh, so that's my word. Free.
I know that's right, $3.99.
All right, and I forgot to say something. So congratulations. I know you recently received a award, Trailblazers.
Yes, we did. On December the 10th, we were recognized by Everything Underground, which is an organization in Indianapolis, who recognized us for the efforts that we were doing at the Dayton Book Expo. And so we won this beautiful Crystal Plaque Award. We had dinner with us, prepared by a chef of the Pacers chef. They had it in the Madam C.J. Walker Theater. It was a wonderful experience. So that's actually my second award from literary. My first one came from you.
You remember, huh?
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Omar was there.
Okay.
I didn't get my kiss, but he was there.
Right, Omar. Yeah, he was there.
He was there.
So that was years ago.
2011.
2011. Yeah. So we've been friends for a while.
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you so much for just supporting me. And I will be there to support you at the next Dayton Book Expo.
Absolutely.
Right. You're watching Joe Today, and come out to the Dayton Book Expo if you get a chance and support Sister Miss Valerie Coleman. I'm thinking I'm at church. Sister Valerie Coleman. All right.
That works.
All right. Thank you.
Cut. That was great.
I said